Okay, so I want to show you what I did in my yard. There's this corner of my yard. It's just a bunch of trees and brush. Really nothing going on here, just kind of privacy, which is awesome. But then we had the idea that there could be like a little nook in there. So here's what I recently did. I got in here with loppers and saws and I hacked out a clearing in these trees and pulled out all the cactuses and made, as we enter in to this magical realm, I will show you what I've created here. We have to enter in through the wind chimes and into this little magical world. I got a little bench here, but then here is the copper pyramid that I've built that I've always wanted to have for so long, and I just finally did it. And I bought half-inch copper pipes at Home Depot, and then did the math to figure out the ratios so that I could have the Giza pyramid ratios. And then I bought some connectors off of Etsy and put it together out here and created this whole magical world. And I love to come out here in the morning and sit in the pyramid there, or sometimes lie in it and just look up at the trees. And the birds and the hummingbirds are just going crazy in the morning. And a couple months ago, all these trees were just in bloom with beautiful little pink flowers. So this is my new oasis, and I put this brick wall with some bricks that I just found in the yard because the street is down there and it just makes it a little bit more private. And so that's really lovely. And so let's go in here. And I've got a little bell there just for clearing energy, a little piece of selenite. I've got this amazing crystal that was my dear friend Nadi's. And on this wall, I've just got all kinds of crystals and special objects. I've got some at each corner. I've got these red rocks that are shaped like hearts that are from Sedona that I found on walks there. And in these corners, I have rocks that I got in Egypt. And these are very special. These are from the Fayum Pyramid, which is a really ancient collapsing pyramid. And there's veins in the earth that are have turned into crystal, as if at one time that pyramid was alive with veins and it's just been crystallized. So I have a couple pieces of that, and so I put them at the corners of the pyramid. I've got a little rainbow catcher here. So I just wanted to share my little magical world with you.